Turn your home plans into reality with RichmondCustomHomes.com. If you're wondering whether 2026 is a good time to buy a home in Richmond, Virginia, the answer depends on your goals and financial situation. Interest rates may still fluctuate, but waiting for the perfect rate can mean missing out on the right home. Home prices in Richmond continue to show long-term growth, making real estate a strong investment over time. Buying now could help you start building equity sooner instead of continuing to rent. At the same time, it's important to evaluate your credit score, income stability, and savings before making a move. The key is not timing the market perfectly, but being financially prepared when the right opportunity comes. With the right loan strategy, you can secure a home that fits your budget and future plans. RichmondCustomHomes.com helps you understand market conditions, compare loan options, and make confident decisions so you can move forward at the right time for you. For more info, Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. Call 804-212-8663. Email Duane at coast2coastmall.com. And visit RichmondCustomHomes.com.